Life is a story of love, heartbreak, and heroism for these battle-scarred lions. Big Cat Country double bill tonight from 9 on Viasat Nature.
Fact: you will never get bored with a Border Collie. A working member of the Collie breed, Border Collies are extremely energetic workaholics. Probably originating from areas around the English-Scottish border, they were bred to work on livestock farms. Some say the word collie comes from the Celtic word for useful, which pretty much sums these guys up. Acrobatic and athletic, the Border Collie is a popular pet and is often considered the most intelligent dog on the planet. Tireless workaholics, these shaggy good-lookers can run all day without tiring. Most commonly black and white, they come in a wide range of colour combinations and sometimes even have 2 different coloured eyes. They're a medium-sized dog with a luxurious fur coat, which frequently sheds and does require regular grooming. They live for around 10 to 15 years. Take note. On the dog energy level scale, Border Collies rate a whopping 98.5%, so they are definitely best for highly active dog runners. Training is highly recommended to keep these canine rocket scientists stimulated, and they are capable of some pretty impressive stunts. Their affectionate nature means they're fine for families, but beware, a bored Border Collie will be a troublesome handful. The Border Collie is a robust dog, but they can suffer from a few health issues with their hips and eyes that you should be aware of. These dogs have it all: brains, beauty, popularity, and personality. If you're willing to invest the right amount of time and energy into this very special breed, then you'll love living with a Border Collie.
Get ready to experience nature on the grandest scale. Unforgiving wilderness, spectacular creatures, hair-raising drama. Experience the epic adventure in Massive Africa double bill Thursday from 9 on Viasat Nature.